Hello viewers all over the world, my name is Coach Shelton. So today let us number our nyunga mbira like this. So today we are going to learn a song called Chigwaya. Right, I'm going to take you through the bottom keys first. Right, you know, today I've labeled my mbira 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, so today we are going to start with our right hand, you know, our right thumb, then our left thumb. Right, so we are going to start with 11. We are going to hit it once like this. Then 5, we are going to hit it twice. Right, so let us repeat it again. 11, 5, 5. Right, so 11, 5, 5, 15. Right, so if you combine it, it will be like, right, then we'll hit 13. So it's 11, 5, 5, 15, 18. Right, so let us repeat it one more time. 11, 5, 5, 15, 18. Right, then from there we are going to move on. 11, 5, 5, 15, 13, 1. Five, 11, 11, 5, 5, 15, 13, 1, 5, 11. Then 1, 15, 3. That's the final part. 1, 15, 3. Right, so right from the beginning it's 11, 5, 5, 15, 18, 1, 5, 11, 1, 15, 3. So you keep on repeating. Now you will be following the correct rhythm. Right, thank you so much for watching the video. I will come back to teach you the upper keys